Welcome and welcome back. If you're new here, I am Queenie and this is Queenie Teens, where we talk all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today we're doing a hair tutorial and I'm gonna put some boho. I think they're boho, but it might just be curly ends. I really forgot what I ordered. But my birthday is Monday. Today is Friday, so I'm about to redo my braids. I've been waiting all week to do my hair just for this. So let's get right into the video. Don't forget to like this video and share it to a friend who may need to do their hair for cheap, for the low, for an affordable price, who may not be able to spend $200, $300 for some boho braids. This is the video for them. All right, guys, let's go. So the method that I'm going to be using today is something that I found on TikTok, which I've used a couple of times on myself and as well as on some of my clients, and I really like it. So basically the girl, she does plaits, like individual braids into each other. So instead of the rubber band method, which I don't really like, just for too much tension on the hair, I'm gonna do the boxes, braid them. So I'll braid the first one and I'll add it to the second one and I'll go back. I'm gonna do about 3 to 4 rows and then I'm just gonna braid the rest of the braids back. So first, what I'm gonna do is start with splitting my head in half this way, as well as the each side, the right and the left side. All right, so now that that's done, I have a right side, a left side, and then a back. So I'm going to just get the middle part pretty clean. I'm using jam. I know some people use like the Raiders jam or gel. I'm just using regular shining jam, extra hold conditioning jam. I like it because it does make the parts clean when I braid the hair. And it helps me keep the parts clean when I part it. So we part it down the middle. So now I'm gonna start from the middle and go outward. So my first section will be here. And I don't want to do them too big because I want the front a bit full. All right, so now I have my first section. I'm gonna start sectioning each box, plaiting it and sending it back. You'll see what I mean. So now that I've braided this a little bit, I'm gonna part the next section and add this to the section behind. So now you see I have my 2 sections. And I'm just gonna continue that all the way back and all the way across. All right, woo. Gotta work out in my arms. But the first row is done, and now I'm just gonna go straight across and do that to everything over here, as well as this side. So I finished this side and I just have this one over here that will connect to a braid. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am now finished with the front and I'm just gonna start on the back. All I'm doing, super simple, braid straight back. I think that's gonna be the easiest, and it's also gonna help because I usually do an around the world, but I think it's gonna be better because the individual braids will give that illusion for the parts if I decide to pull it up in the ponytail. So I'm gonna braid it straight back and we'll be back when I'm finished. Okay, we are finally finished. I've braided down my hair in the back and we're gonna get to the crochet. So let's pull it out and see what it actually looks like. It is the color, the color's 350, like the burnt orange. I'm gonna pull. It's supposed to be 24 inches. I'm definitely feeling the length because I didn't want it too short, y'all. The last ones I did were like shoulder length, but I'm like, listen, it's my bday, long hair don't care. So I'm loving the color. The ends are curled like I like, and I want to see if these are like boho. Okay, so they're not boho. They're just curly ends, but they're still super cute. I really love this color on my skin. Let's get right into it. Just gonna pop that open, super easy. Put this in the trash. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys know how to crochet. Just gonna demonstrate how to do a couple, and then I'm just gonna keep going. So you wanna stick the needle through the hair, loop around the twist part, close the latch, pull it through, stick the needle inside, grab the end. You're gonna put the end, oh, if I can get it, you're gonna put the end inside of the hook, close it again, and pull it through. Simple as that. And then you're just gonna pull it all the way to the top, and period. So let's get it. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit more difficult than I thought. Oh, it's the end that's tripping me up, y'all. Okay, I got it in there finally. Okay. Woo! So clearly the ends are gonna give me trouble. Oh yeah, I love how long these are. Okay, birthday hair loading. All right, so this is how it looks so far. I still have to do the back. I just wanted to show you guys. I think it looks really good. Of course, it doesn't look exactly like box braids. It looks more like traditional box braids versus knotless, but it's crochet, but it's a better alternative to crocheting. I think it looks much better and a lot closer, right? Be for real. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this look so far. Would you try it? I'm gonna finish the back and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I'm really loving this style. I will link I will put the Amazon link in the description below. Like, this is super long. Like, look how far down it goes. It said 24 inches, but I really love it. It comes to my butt. It was super, I'm not gonna say it was super quick because it took me at least an hour or an hour and a half to 2 hours. 2 hours max. But that's way less than the 6-7 hours that you're sitting for regular braids. And also it looks much better than crochet. Even though it doesn't look exactly like box braids, it looks a lot closer than normal crochet. So this is how it will look when I hold it up. When I put it up in a ponytail, I really, really love this look. Like I said, this is not my first time doing it, and I will always do it like this. I think it looks super good. It's super full. Yeah. So tell me down below in the comments what you ladies think, how you feel about this style, if you would try it. Or also let me know about some styles that you have tried that you would like to see me try here on this channel. So as always, remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new video updates, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you ladies in the next one.